The 1999 Constitution, as the supreme law of the land, has been the grand norm for the country's democracy over the years. Recalled that the Green Chamber on February 26, 2024 affirmed its position to address the pitfalls that led to failures of past constitutions in the country by working closely with the executive arm at the state and federal levels. Areas of emphasis include devolution of powers and state policing, which have been on the front burner since the inauguration of the 6th Special Committee on the review of the 1999 Constitution. Nigerians, however, caution that as good as the call for state police is, funding may generate controversy between arms of government.
The community policing was supposed to be financed by state, but state at a point in time felt that such responsibility should be a federal government thing.
The only challenge is the funding or something like that. The state is the state that will now be funding the state police itself, not from the federal government. So that shows that a lot of money is needed by the state.
Others have the perspective that the mandate may be hijacked by politicians, thereby posing a menace to its effectiveness.
There is need for a sincerity from the federal government that this state policing, how will the state government finance it? Does it mean there is going to be a separate funding that will be coming from state government that will not come from Nigerian police? Then under whose authority will the state police be? So that at the end of the day, some certain persons in states that are gladiators will not end up using such as a means to enrich themselves and as a means to protect themselves from arrest. Instead of state police, there is need for the federal government to see how the Nigerian police can be more equipped and more manpower being brought on board. There are a lot of volunteers outside there. We have the Man O' War, we have the Peace Corps, we have the Boy Scout, we have the Boys Brigade, we have Salvation Army, we have MOD, and other voluntary uniform organizations, the cadets. All these are voluntary bodies that can be harnessed and bring on board to support the Nigerian police and other security architecture of the country.
If you look at the level of insecurity across the country, you will understand that the structure of the Nigerian police as we have it right now is not working. So take, for instance, to put it in context, you know that most security challenges are local. And now, in my place where I come from, my local government, I can tell you that the DPO of the police station in my local government is from somewhere in central Nigeria, northern Nigeria. He doesn't speak the language, he doesn't understand the culture, he doesn't understand the people, and he is the man leading on security in those places. So clearly it will not work.
The new Nigerian Constitution, according to the Constitutional Review Committee, is expected to be delivered within the next 24 months. In Abuja, Joshua Okujire, NTA News.